Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another uh, great flashlight that I acquired and it will be the EagleTac D25C clicky TI. And just to say it up front, this one will be probably discontinued soon. I don't know for how long they will be still available. There is a D3 when I was taking available right now, which you can purchase. I will also try maybe in the future to get one, but I got a really good deal for this flashlight, and when I found the site, so I grabbed it before they will be sold out. So firstly, let's shout them out. It's eu.ancon.nl. So this is a mostly flashlight oriented company. They are a bunch of people. They are flashlight enthusiasts, and they sell some well-known manufacturers like Olight, EagleTac, yes, and so on. So if you like, go check them out. Probably primarily if you are from Europe. If you are from another part of the world, then you will prefer your own resellers. Okay, this is what I got from them. So I got the light, I got 2 spare accumulators for my other flashlight and one for this one, and I also got this X-Star USB charger. I will probably not make a separate video about this one. It's just your standard 2-bay charger with indicator of the charging cycle. I will also give you a nice USB cord, so just your standard things right there. You can get them on the site. I will try to link you down below. Okay, so let's talk about the light itself. So it comes in a really nice packaging. They will give you a lanyard. Here are a few informations about the range. So let's see. So the D25 models family, you have one for the CR123A, one for a AA variant, and these are your standard aluminum versions, but they also have premium versions in titanium. So a few basic informations, how to access the grouping, and yeah, these are the modes or the functions of the flashlights. We have 2 groups, as you can see: low, medium, high, strobe, SOS, beacon. So I will show you those modes. Are really a lot of modes here, and quick specs about the variants. As you can see, the D25A is your AA, and the D25C is your CR123A. There's also some advertisement, and this is really nice to see. So now you understand why I got this flashlight. They will give you a 10-year limited warranty, so they are standing behind the product. So this is always good to see that company does take care of and trust in the product. Okay, so also in the package included is this nice sturdy pouch for your flashlight. You can carry it maybe on your backpack, or maybe just dangle it from your trousers, but also you can carry it on your belt. And here's the flashlight. So it is really beautifully executed, nice polished surfaces. So these corners are not sharp with some companies that are, or there is issue. You have some informations on the, so there is the company and the model number, limited, and the eagle. Oh, the eagle is also on this button, which is made out of hard rubber. It has embossed the eagle logo there. We have a smooth reflector. So like I mentioned, this is a titanium body flashlight made in China. It will take the CR123A or RCR123A batteries. There are quite few variants with this one. The company will give you a lot of options you can choose from. So you have the LED inside. This one is the XPL high V3. I hope I'm right on this one. Yeah, XPL high LED. So this will give you the maximum output on a. I got this EAGTAC battery for it. So it's 750. Yeah. So on this battery you will get a max output with this LED bulb. And you have a few modes. So on the lowest settings you have 1 lumen, then you have 32, then 294, and the max output is 450. You can get also the XPL HI V3 with different LEDs. So you can get your Cree XPL HD V6, which will have even higher output, so 221. Then the XPL high V3, which is 450. Then the Nichia 219B V1, which will have an output of 300 lumens. You have quite few modes that you can use with this flashlight. It can be a little bit distracting, but I try to show it. Okay. So and as always, I will put all the specifications inside the description box down below, just that you don't have to scroll and pause the video. So let's start. Okay, so I don't know what mode is this one. It should start, but yeah, it is in group 2, so it will start at turbo, and then you will press it once again, it will go to strobe. So back to turbo, loosen the head, and now it's in group 1. So group 1 is your main probably EDC application, so it will start switch to low, then to medium, then to high, then to low again, then to high again, and so medium, this is high, and now strobe. Then another strobe, then the flash, SOS flash, SOS fast, and SOS beacon. And back to low. So the specifications of these flashlights are: we have a dimension of 7.5 centimeters or 2 inches times 3 inches and 3 centimeters times 0.8 inches. We have a weight of 59 grams or 2 ounces with the battery, or 40.7 grams or 1.4 ounces without the battery. The MSRP of these lights is $82, but you can go and check out the Encon website and you will get them with a nice discount if they still have them. Okay, I'll tighten back and I will start with the turbo. And as I'm holding this light, it gets really hot on the turbo mode, but that is expected. It has a really nice pocket clip. Let's see the pocket profile. Yes, this is how much it will stick out from your pocket. So overall, really well made. If you like the shorter size, then this will be probably something for you. There is also a longer version with the AA for size comparisons. Previously featured in my channel. This is the Raillight LAN TI. The LD9 from Phoenix. Streamlight MicroStream. And here is a AAA and a AA. And yes, there are a few variants with different LED bulbs you can choose from. Also, the new improved Mark II version has also a different flashlight you can choose from. So it depends on what flashlights do you want to have, or maybe you have experience with. Then you can probably choose. I don't know if there are minimum of 3 different LED bulbs available. Maybe there may be more in the future. Who knows? Go check out the site. I will also link you the full specifications from the website of EagleTac, because they have all the information right there. So it's better to, if you want to know something specific about the flashlight, go and check the data sheet. Yeah, you can also get them on eBay, probably on Amazon, and these sorts of sites. Go check them out and if you like the flashlight, then you can do your homework and get it at best possible price, of course. Okay, so this was the EagleTac D25C clicky titanium flashlight. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to upload at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives, gear oriented. So if you are interested, you can also check out my playlists. I try to organize my videos for your convenience. You can go and check out different stuff in the same if you have the same interests like me, maybe watches, maybe knives, maybe flashlights, or Warhammer. Okay, so thanks for watching. I wish you a nice day and see you soon. Bye.